Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting new tool to showcase, the Measure-mart LV50 Vane Thermo-Anemometer. Let's dive right in. First, let's appreciate the secure and organized packing. Measure-mart ensures that all components are well protected during shipping. Opening the box, we first have the calibration certificate, assuring us of the device's accuracy right out of the box. Next, we find the quick start guide, which will help us set up and use the anemometer easily. Beneath the guide, there's the protective sponge layer that keeps everything in place during transit. Now, let's take a look at the LV50 anemometer itself, featuring a sturdy ABS housing, along with the head cover to protect the vane. To get started, we need to remove the battery cover from the back of the device. Insert the 4 AAA batteries included in the package into the back of the device. Next, let's turn it on. Press the on-off hold button briefly. The backlit LCD screen lights up, displaying 2 lines, one for the value in meter per second and another for the temperature in Celsius. This makes it easy to read even in dim conditions. Switching units is simple. Press the select button briefly to toggle between measuring air velocity in meter per second, feet per minute, and kilometer per hour, and temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. The LV50 measures air velocity from 0.3 to 35 meter per second and temperatures from -20 to 80 Celsius. For accurate readings, place the fan in front of the airflow. It also features a hold function. Press the on-off hold button briefly during measurement to freeze the current reading. For accuracy, the device performs well with a small margin of error in laboratory conditions.